Good morning, all. Today's topic is data alignment, rank, and sort. We'll see one by one. So, what do you mean by data alignment? This feature we have already discussed some introduction about data alignment in the features of series and data frame. So, data alignment is intrinsic, which means that it's inherent to the operations you perform. So, you are going to align the data by their labels and not by their position, and we use align functions to align. So, this function is used to align two data objects with each other according to their labels, and it can also be used on both series and data frame objects, and it is going to return a new object of the same type with labels compared and aligned. We'll see with an example. So data alignment is, so now first we are going to create a data frame like this. So this is one data frame, this is another data frame. So two data frames have been created, df1 and df2 with set of values. Now in order to align this data frame, we are going to align it by using align function. What align function does is, so as you could see, two data frames have been created, and in this in the align data frame, df1 underscore align df2 is equal to df1 dot align, then within parenthesis df2 comma fill value with null values np dot nan. So this particular line aligns the two data frames, both df1 and df2. So it is going to check where the common values are. So based on the common values, it is going to align the data frame. If there are any missing values, it is going to replace with np.nan. So that is nan. So nan is nothing but a special value in NumPy representing missing data. So this align method returns two new data frames. One is df1.align, df1 underscore align, and df2 underscore align, where the columns are aligned and missing values are filled with np.nan. The next is rank. Ranking is even in the classroom. Once for example, in the school days, once the subject marks have been filled or the total has been filled, we'll be ranking the students like that. Ranking is nothing but assigning ranks or positions to data elements based on their values. And rank is written based on the position after sorting, and it's used whenever we are analyzing data with repetitive values, or when you need to identify the top or bottom entries. In that case, we'll be using this rank. And in order to use this rank method, we go for data frame dot rank with the parameters access, whether it should be row or column. The method is average and numeric only, or not a NA option, whether you want to keep NaN values or not, and whether you're going to have ascending or not, all these, and then PCT equal to false. So this is the syntax of rank, and the explanation about each and every parameter has been given. So let's say we are going to create a data frame called as df with set of values called as animal column and the number of legs each animal has, like fox, kangaroo, deer, spider, snake, and you know the number of legs that each animal has. Now we are going to apply a rank method for this particular data frame. So when you apply rank for this particular data frame, what it is going to do is, it is going to rank according to the number of legs. So for example, you're going to apply the rank based upon the values. Ranking is applied based on the values. So here we have 4, 2, 4, 8 and not a number. Now let's see here. You can see like 4 different fields are there. So df of default rank, df of max rank, df of na underscore bottom, df of pct rank. That means a default rank column will be added, and a max rank column will be added. NA underscore bottom column will be added, and the PCT rank will also be added. So that is why we have given here. Now call the rank method on which respective column, on the respective column. Suppose I have some other column with some set of values. You're going to use the label of that particular column and then call the rank method. Here we are going to rank based upon the number of legs the animal has. So number of legs, So number of legs is given in this particular column. So use the particular field name dot rank, and then this is the default rank. When you call rank without any parameters mentioned, that then it is called as a default rank. And whenever you are going to have a parameter called as method equal to max means it is going to give the max rank. That process is called as max rank. And then na underscore bottom concept is nothing but you're going to have a parameter called as na underscore option bottom. And then pct equal to based on the pct you're going to tell whether you're going to apply pct or not. So we'll see one by one. So first is we are going to find out the default rank. So default rank, how to find out the default rank? Default rank, like, okay, let me show with an image. So this is how we calculate the default rank. So you could see like for default rank 2.51, 2.54 NAN. So how this 2.5, 2.5 has come? Because as we all know that whenever we have the same value, how to rank it. So this default rank can be computed by finding out the average of the position. So the explanation has been given here. We have 4, 2, 4, 8 and NAN. So these are the number of legs. Just arrange it in ascending order. 2, 4, 4, 8. Now we are going to find out the position. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Even NAN we are going to have it as 5. Now just rank it. So in our when you rank it, so I have the same values that are there. The positions are 2 and 3. Now what will be the rank? So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. I have two values. So 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. So 2.5 is the rank we are going to give for whenever I have this 4 values. So as per the example, so first rank, this is second and third rank. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 by 2 is 2.5 is given here. And the last one is 4. And the next one is method equal to max. Here, whenever I have two same values, in the previous case, we have taken the average of it. Here, whenever we have same values, we are going to fix the maximum rank for both the fields. So the maximum rank is, whenever I have 4, it will be filled with the max rank, which is nothing but 3 and 3. Next is nothing but na underscore option equal to bottom. So whatever we did in default, the same applies here. But the one thing what we are going to notice in the default rank, we imputed it just existed with the NaN, whereas in case of na option equal to bottom means it is going to assign the highest rank. So all the NaN values will be moved to the bottom and it is going to assign the highest rank for the NaN. Next, PCT is nothing but the percentage. So percentage rank, how we are going to find out the percentage rank? So now based upon the number of values, it is going to find out the percentage. Okay, already we have computed the rank in the default rank. The same thing comes here. Now, how many total ranks are there? Based upon that, it is going to find out the percentage. So that is nothing but the percentage or PCT equal to 2. So this is how we obtain these four values. Next is sort. We all know whenever we work with values or the numerical, when we want to sort it, we use sort method. So it is how we are going to sort it. Sort the value along the axis. Okay, either is 0 or 1. You can able to sort a pandas data frame by the values of one or more columns, and even you can use the ascending parameter to change the sort order, whether you're going to sort it ascending or descending. And even you can able to sort it by using sort underscore index method. And the sort is used to organize missing data while sorting the values. So and even you can able to sort a data frame in place by setting in place to true. That means it is going to affect the original data set. And this is the method. And yeah, now we'll see how to apply sort method. And this is our data frame. We have set of values. Now I want to sort the data frame in ascending order. As of course we know now sort underscore values. So this is the data frame. we have created. So like country, year, population, continent, and this is the data frame data we have passed in. Now it is going to sort the data frame by using country. It is going to sort the data by using country. So country values have been sorted A, B, C, F, I, United States. Let's say if I'm going to sort, I want to sort the values by using country means 1952, 1957, 1957, 1957. Then like that, it is going to sort it based upon the year. Even you can able to sort the data frame in descending order by setting the parameter ascending equal to false. So by default, it sorts in ascending order. Now in order to sort it in descending order, just give the parameter ascending equal to false. Here the values have been sorted by means of population. So the population is being given in a descending order. And then even we have other thing called a sort underscore values method with NA position equal to first. That means we are going to prioritize rows with missing values at the beginning of the sorted data frame. So while sorting, we wanted to know where the missing frames or missing values are. So you can able to sort it by using sort underscore values. The only thing we need to check is NA underscore position equal to first. That means it is going to put all the missing values first. And we even that can we can able to apply this thing for multiple columns as well. So like in the previous examples we have seen we are going to sort by either by country or by population. Now we are going to sort values by based on the country. If both the country, if again if it is matched, it is going to be what sorted based on the continent. So finally, we have discussed about sorting and ranking the data frame. Thank you.